We keep track of everything what you have done in the recent past from whatever date you want to query it back to as far as products go. At the field level, I'm going to go into the pop-up for the plus sign to get the 9 different options here for collecting data, and I'm going to go to the one for crop protection and fertilizer. So if you hit that tank mix and recents button, it'll pop up here and it asks what your recents or tank mix might be. If tank mix is, of course, what you want to call those as far as the tank mix goes, I'm going to go to the recents here, click on the recents options, and it will look back for as far back as what I will want it to query to and give me any information on any of these fields what I've done from 1114 to 1204 of 2017. So if I came in here, I could say, well, I want to demarcate this one as a favorite. In other words, I want to use that quite often, and I'm going to come up here and just call this my Fert and Herb 1 for the product name. Dismiss that and hit continue. Now that will be demarcated as my favorite from here on out, but I could also select that and it would pull up and it would show everything what I had in that particular recent application, and I could load that into the view by clicking the load button, and it would load that information up, and then I could go assign that as I would need to across the field, either whole field or by zone. The value of this is not having to go back and repopulate any of your inputs as far as your chemicals, your fertilizers, your herbicides, anything that deals with crop protection and fertilizers, the products and so forth. So any of the pesticides, once that is filled out, we're going to recognize that, and you can utilize that to pull back up and use on several other fields without having to re-enter the information a second time, which saves you a lot of time if you're trying to get over a lot of acres in a day's time. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.